Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. First, make sure your Pinterest account is set up as a business account. This gives you access to valuable analytics and features crucial for tracking your performance. Next, you'll need to register for the Amazon Associates program. Once approved, you can generate unique affiliate links for products you wish to promote. Always review Amazon's operating agreement and Pinterest's community guidelines to ensure compliance and avoid any issues. When creating your pins, focus on visual appeal. Use high-quality product images or lifestyle photos that grab attention. Your pin titles and descriptions are vital. Include relevant keywords to improve discoverability and entice users to click. For example, if promoting a kitchen gadget, use terms like best kitchen tools or easy meal prep. Directly paste your Amazon affiliate link into the designated link field on Pinterest. Remember, a strong call to action can significantly boost your click-through rates. Transparency is key when using affiliate links. You must clearly disclose your affiliate relationship on every single pin. A simple affiliate link or #ad in the description is usually sufficient. Promote products you genuinely use and believe in. This authenticity builds trust with your audience. Avoid directly pasting affiliate links within your pin description itself. Instead, always use the dedicated link field provided by Pinterest for external URLs. This ensures compliance and a better user experience. To maximize your affiliate success, organize your pins into relevant and descriptive boards. This helps users easily find what they're looking for. Regularly check Pinterest analytics to understand which pins are performing well and what products resonate most with your audience. This data is invaluable for refining your strategy. Aim to consistently create and schedule new pins, perhaps 3 to 5 per day, to maintain an active presence and continuously reach a wider audience on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.